Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure KeePassXC for strong encryption and backups, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open KeePassXC on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, download it from the official KeePassXC website. Once KeePassXC is open, click on Database in the top menu. Select New Database to create a new password database. Set a strong master password for your database. Make sure to use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Confirm your master password by entering it again. Next, choose a location to save your database file. Remember to save it in a place that's secure and accessible. Once saved, you'll see the main interface where you can add entries. To add your first entry, click on Add Entry in the toolbar. Fill in the details for the entry, such as title, username, and password. You can also add notes or custom fields if needed. To generate a strong password, click on the Password Generator button. Adjust the settings to create a password that fits your needs. Once satisfied, click OK to save the generated password. Now, let's enhance the encryption method for your database. Click on Database in the top menu, then select Database Settings. In the Settings menu, find the tab labeled Security. AES is a widely trusted choice, so ensure it is selected. After adjusting the settings, click OK to save your changes. To ensure your data remains safe, regularly backup your database. Go to Database and select Backup Database. Choose a location for your backup file. It's wise to keep backups in a different location from your primary database file. Consider setting up regular reminders to perform backups. To securely close your database when finished, click on Database then select Close Database. Always remember to lock KeePassXC. With these steps completed, you now have a securely configured KeePassXC database ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.